Well, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. This morning I am putting together a little nectarine burrata caprese style salad. I like to actually put these ingredients onto a mini naan bread and make it into a sort of pizza. But I'm going for something a little bit lighter this morning, and I will put all of the ingredients and directions in the description below. This recipe is a little versatile, so you can use peaches instead of nectarines. You can swap out the style of nuts and the dressings and the cheese. I'm just going to kind of share with you the base of what I put into this. It's pretty healthy and filling, and I really enjoy this for kind of an early light brunch sometimes. So instead of naan bread today, I'm actually using up some English muffin. I have some leftover English muffins, and so I toasted one half and I kind of crumbled it up, and I'm going to, or into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to put that into my salad bowl. And then I have some spinach. I've got some baby spinach, and I'm going to grab just about a handful or so of spinach, and I'm going to kind of just tear it up a little bit. I like my spinach to be in smaller pieces. So again, if I was putting this on naan bread, the naan bread would be on the bottom. Then I would layer some spinach. I have some fresh mozzarella, and I'm going to kind of just piece this out. Some bite-sized pieces. And then we have some pecans. If you want to, you can candy the pecans. I have steps on how to make candied nuts in my winter spinach salad recipe, so I will link to that for you. Basically, you just put a little bit of sugar and honey into a small pot, let it simmer and melt together, and then you put your nuts in there and let them get nice and coated, and then you let them dry. I'm skipping the candied part today because I'm going to just drizzle some honey onto my salad anyways, which is going to make it sweet. I have also some lemons left over. I'm trying to use up the last of a couple lemons. I was on a lemon kick lately, and so I've got 2 lemons left. I'm going to juice 1 lemon kind of over the top. And if you have a really juicy lemon, just stick with half of the lemon. And then I have my nectarine. I have got a whole nectarine here. If you want to, you can slice it or you can dice it. I'm going to make mine into bite-sized pieces. This salad is a great way to get some greens and some protein and some fruit into you all in one little bowl. It's also really pretty and colorful. It's a nice spring summer salad. And for dressing, so if I was going to make this as a naan bread pizza, usually I use a regular balsamic vinaigrette dressing for my naan breads, but this is a sweeter with a nectarine. And so a lot of times I like to use, it's a white balsamic peach vinaigrette. I actually got this at Aldi's, but you could probably find it in most stores or something similar. It's got that light, sweet, fruity flavor to it. And drizzle it on just a little bit. I'm going to add honey, so I'm really not adding much of the dressing at all. Just the slightest little bit. It's probably like a tablespoon in total. And then I've got some honey, and I'm going to do the same thing with honey. Drizzle just the slightest bit. You just want a tiny little bit in there. All right. And there we have it. Very healthy and very filling salad idea for you. I hope you all like this quick recipe. It's perfect for a lunch or a nice big breakfast. Be sure to subscribe so you can get all of our recipes And follow us over on Facebook and Pinterest where you can save our recipes as well. We'll see you next time.